Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are reviewing some pickleball paddles and set. Comes with a really nice carrying case. Now some people call this enlarged ping pong, so it depends on what you call it, but yeah, this is a really nice carrying bag for them. Great storage, nice strap, and this is it. You get 2 large paddles. So you can make up your own games or you can follow the pickleball rules. Overall, really nice. Nice grip. So you can make up your own games and play with other people or yourself. This makes really good hand-eye coordination. Overall, these are really nice paddles. Nice balls. Overall, gonna be a lot of fun.